Good morning. Welcome to ABC 103 Trader. And what we're going to be doing today is I'm waiting for this 11:05 trade. I'm going to bring it across here so you can see. I've been, with all that crazy noise, we had that first impulse move, second impulse move. I want to see if it gets one more aggressive sell-off for 11:05 and then we can buy in. That's what I'm looking for right now. If it doesn't happen after 11:05, we'll find it out if I have to start taking it into the longs here. We're going to find out very soon. And what's happening is we're tapping perfectly, but I need that retracement, that last retracement. And I needed to see it break down one more time. And if we can get to, well, we'll find out. I'm just going to wait till 11:05. And if she starts breaking past 87, then I probably can start taking the trade. I want to wait 5 more minutes, see if it hits that bottom. We're hitting bottoms here, vibration bottoms, and then we can start taking her up. And we can go up to at least 13,220, or if not, we can run it right back up to the 13,331. But I want to see it break down one more time, a nice good breakdown. And it looks like it is perfect because we're getting to that top of the hour. We need that last sell-off punch. And when that last sell-off punch does activate, then I possibly can get into the trade here. I'm going to watch a couple of things. I'm going to be watching, so you can understand, the delta. See if delta is doing one more big sell-off. And we'll go from there. Okay, so now we have that red marking. This is what I like to see. And it's pushing aggressively. And we'll find out really soon here. So this is that sell-off I've been waiting for because she's grouped up 1388. And I need that pullback. I'm watching that delta, a big sell-off on delta right now. And this should be the last wave before we can get in. There she goes. She's pushing hard. There we go. It's crazy how everything just works on time. Now, if we can get if it vibrates on 33 and holds there, this could be our buy-in price. Or if she breaks down, then what we're going to find out if it's going to be. Well, we'll find out. We'll just give it some time. So we're at 45, 33, 45, 40. Let it vibrate for a while. Could be 11, 10, 11, 15. 46, 47. I'll focus this. I'm going to watch my delta for a while. Yeah, she's holding here. This is good. Good. Nice sell-off. Nice sell-off. Let's see if we get to 33 bottom. And I think we are at 11:03, 11:05. See how my delta is pushing. Delta's holding. And I'm going to try it right away here. I'm going to do a buy bid on this baby. Hopefully I'm correct. And let's see if we can get our price point in here. Now where we can go is we can try to go back to 88, or she's going to run like crazy. Right now we are up $320, and I'll close it there. $345, guys. So and if you can hear that, that is technically my trade now. And you know what? I'm going to play for fun. I'm going to try a mini now. MNQ 320. And I'm going to go buy market now. Now, let's see what it is on dollar-wise. Hopefully I didn't look up. But anyways, we'll find out right away here. I'm going to check it on my minis. And see if she'll still keep on pushing up on a mini. $10, $9. Yeah, she's going to keep on cruising. I'm going to close this baby. So anyways, that's how you do it. $650 for today. And that's all I want to show you in this video. So like I said, it's not overly... The key about, I'll say, day trading is the very first thing you have to understand is called experience. And it's practicing, practicing, and practicing over and over and over again. And the reason why I took this trade, and I'll show you the reason why, is I looked at this 1105 signal, okay? And we hit it right on the money. Then once I understood that, because we knew we had a sell-off, we had a sell-off, we had a sell-off, and this is starting to turn around. And you need that first wave up, come back down, continuation up. We broke this level here. I took it as deep as possible. And then what I want to show you is, let me see here. I was watching my price action. I was watching it fail right here. And I said it was the 1105 signal. 1105 had been way up here. So I took it early enough that I knew she was turning around. And I did that in conjunction and there was that alarm. So now I know it works. So interesting. Getting a lot of people going in the Discord this morning. But as you can see, she's just going to start going now. And so we need this bounce up, bounce up, bounce up again. And other than that, that's all I'm going to show you on this video. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades. You guys trade safe, and you guys have a great day.